Hello YouTube, this is Bike Ganna and welcome to another vlog. So in this vlog I am going to give my bike for third service and I have reached around 9,800 kilometers. So in this video I am gonna share my experience with the third service, and I have one issue with the engine tappet noise. So let's see if you can hear it now. So this is one major issue in my Domina and many are facing this issue. So let's see if service center can fix this. So first I'm gonna use this engine oil flush to flush out all the sludges and dust particles from the old engine. My old engine is Bajaj stock oil. So I'm gonna change from Bajaj oil to Motul. So I'm gonna use this and run the engine for around 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna flush out the old engine oil. This engine oil is from Motul. This is 7100 10W50, which is recommended for Domina. And I got this can from KTM Spares Center. They have specifically launched this version which has 1.65 liter of oil, which is directly usable in Dominar because the new Dominar requires 1.7 liter max oil. This will cost you around this will cost you around 1395 for the 1.65 liter. And I have also added Polytron engine oil additive in this. So the total oil quantity in this right now is 1.75 liter. That was of around 90 ml, I guess, Polytron engine oil additive. So you can see here 1750 ml. Then I'll always remember to change your oil filter whenever you change your engine oil, and also change the O-ring of the oil filter cap. This is a must do because otherwise engine oil will leak from the oil filter area. This oil filter will cost you around 74 rupees and this O-ring will cost you around 5 to 7 rupees, I guess. Even though Bajaj is recommending to change the air filter at 15,000 kilometers, I'm gonna do it early so my bike can breathe freely. So this is how the new air filter will look. It is pure green color. This air filter will cost you around 262 rupees. I suggest everyone to change the air filter every 10,000 kilometers. One more thing I am changing is this fuel filter. This is to filter out all the bad fuel in the petrol tank, which while touring you might fill petrol from highway side petrol pumps. So you may not know whether the fuel condition is good or not. So this fuel filter is to strain that bad fuel and contain it in here, and you will get the good fuel on your FI. So I also recommend to change this at around 10,000 kilometers. This will cost you around 98 rupees. So it's cheap, why not change it? And also I'm having this brake pads from KTM Duke 250. So I'm going to use this in my Dominar if the pads are worn out right now. I'm choosing this because the stock brake pads are not that good. It doesn't have that much good bite to stop the vehicle. So I'm gonna use this. This is the front model number. This will cost you 355 rupees, and this is for rear brake pads. This will cost you around 238. The model number, the part number is same for this one, KTM's one and Dominar one, but I think this KTM one will have a little bit better quality compared to the Bajaj stock one. So I'm gonna try this and see if there is any better braking power. There are a lot of options for front brake pads in Dominar. You have around 4 parts, I guess. This is of Duke 250. It is also a direct fit. There is also one from Duke 390. That will cost you around 1700 rupees, I guess. That is also a direct fit. And that 1700 rupees one is a sintered brake pad. If you want very good braking power, you can use that sintered one, but that will harm your disc rotor. So your rotor will wear out soon. So choose wisely. And I also have this brake fluid. If there is any less brake fluid, I am gonna top up using this. This will cost around 79 rupees. So these are must replace things on your Dominar at 10,000 kilometers service, which is third service, and every other 10,000 kilometer interval, like 20,000, 30,000, like that. Keep changing this, your engine will live longer and you can live a stress-free life. So total will cost you around 2,500 rupees, which is okay. Very good price for a 400cc maintenance. And as the third service is free, so I won't get any labor cost. So guys, as I said in my previous part of the video, why you should change your air filter within 10,000 kilometer. Let me show you. Are you ready? Check this out. This is the quality of air filter after 10,000 kilometers. Can you see how many dirt and dust are there? So it is better recommended to change it every 10,000 kilometer instead waiting till 20,000. It's a must change. And this is about the fuel filter, which I changed in 10,000 kilometers. As you saw in previous part of the video, it was full white. Now you can see it is filled with bad fuel. So I always suggest to change these two parts within 10,000 kilometer. Welcome back guys. So it's been 600 kilometers since I've done my third service, and the bike is performing very well. The only issue I'm still facing is that some kind of tappet noise in my engine, which is like tick 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 tick. It is still there in my engine, and I have asked around with many other owners who are from Bangalore, Pune, etc. For them, the service center is replacing their headset, the whole head assembly of the engine, including the valves and all, and it is resolving the issue. But here in Bangalore, the service mechanic and all are not accepting the fault in the bike, and they are not doing that repair. So I should check with other service center whether they can do it. So hope Bajaj sees this issue and recalls all the first batch of UG and fix it as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the bell icon and share it with your friends who owns the Dominar, and hope they see this video and plan accordingly to whether buy this bike if the bike is issue free in future. So let me show you the noise. I hope you can hear it, the tick tick tappet noise. So it is considerably less after I shifted to Motul engine oil, and I have also used Polytron engine oil additive that is making my engine more refined, and you can also consider using that Polytron thing to make your engine smoother.